there are many children, and some children are getting allowance for every week. For example, children do the great things make parents feel happy and they get an allowance. How much do you get allowance for parents? I get an allowance for $4,000. And how do you spend your allowance? And my idea is I will spend my allowance very specially. My name is Henry, and I have two reasons to support my answer. First, I will buy the food with my allowance, and I will eat. Think about that. In the world, there is a lot of street food, and we need to give and double. Inflation is very high, so we need to buy the street food with my allowance. For example, I was hungry and I want to eat hot dogs, so I buy the cheese hot dog with my allowance. In my experience, I want to eat a hamburger at Burger King, so I use my allowance. When you eat the street food, you will go to heaven. Second, I can go to the arcade place and I can play fun games. In arcade, there is very fun games, but I need to use money to play the game. But we have a hidden card. We have a legend of allowance. We can use allowance to play the game. For example, I can play Brawl Stars and Roblox. In conclusion, I want to spend my allowance very specially because first, I can eat my food. Second, I can play game. Don't forget allowance is very important. Thank you for listening my presentation.